Hey girl, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla. Today's video is going to be a review on the brand new Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. This is a volumizing, lifting, curling, and lengthening mascara. So we're about to put this to the test. If you haven't already, please be sure to hit that subscribe button to join the KP family, and also comment down below on what you would like to see next. All right, and without further ado, let's get into this video. Full Frontal Mascara is a volumizing, lifting, and curling mascara, so we'll have to see if that's what it does. It's an ultimate do-it-all mascara designed for a fully exposed lash look, featuring an exclusive flat-to-fat brush that instantly volumizes, lifts, lengthens, and curls. Okay, so it's gonna do all of the above. Hopefully it does. I've seen the brush and it looks like it would be volumizing, so hopefully it does lengthen as well and coat each lash as well. It's claiming this is gonna be a great mascara for going out to the club, if you're sweating, or maybe even if you're working out. So I really wanted to try this out. I've had this for a month now and I've been wanting to try this out, and I just keep forgetting that I have it. So this is in the shade Cause I'm Black. That's what I say all the time. This, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Look at that. That is so pretty. Okay, I need to curl my lashes real quick. I'm gonna take my Jabanesque lash curler. This is a newer lash curler. Okay, I'm going to go in with one coat to see what it does for my lashes. I know normally when I do a mascara review, I typically don't have a crazy eye look on, but I still think you'd be able to see my lashes very well because it's not that dark on the lids. So this is what the brush head looks like. It is flat, but also fat. It's what they say, fat to flat. There you go. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it the flat ways first to see if it gives me length, and then the long ways to give it volumize it, yeah. Okay. So far as you can see, it does coat the lashes very well. Gives it a bit of a lifted look. My inner corner is very difficult to get, so I'll try and get it in. It does lengthen my lashes a bit too, so I really like that. I'm gonna go in now with the fat side and see what that does for me. Oh wow, okay. So the flat side volumizes and the fat side is lengthening. That was gonna be the opposite. I hate that my lashes come together sometimes. Like, lately I've been applying mascara and these will look great, but my inner corner, for some reason, it just doesn't wanna go on its own. So let's see if I can focus more on the inner corner and get it to separate. These two lashes, for some reason, every single time I apply mascara, there we go. If we go individually like this. So with the first coat, it does coat it very well, coats the lashes individually, and it separates them. It doesn't make them look clumpy. It does give me a little bit of volumization at the base, so it looks thicker. My lash line looks a lot thicker. It does lift. I'm wondering if it'll lift a lot more and lengthen if I go in with the second coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom lash line and then just wait for that to dry and then go in with the second coat. And it's making my lashes look really pretty. Like, I can't wait to wear this on an everyday basis without like eye makeup. That's what I've been doing every day. And I've been looking for a mascara that's just gonna make my lashes look like mine, but like longer, a little bit darker. I really like that. I'm struggling so hard with this lash right here. Can you see the difference? That does lengthen, that does curl. Oh, that looks good. I really like that. That is super pretty. Look at that. I feel like this is it. All right, let me do my other side. I'm not even gonna put on falsies today. I like the way this looks. So that third coat made like a huge difference. Wow, dude, it like really coats each lash. It gives you great volumization on the base, like on the root of your lashes. So your lashes look thicker, but they don't clump. I did get some mascara on my lids, but I'm not gonna take it off because I tried taking some off over here and it just created a huge patch on my eyeshadow. I don't think the eyeshadow palette that I used today is a good one. I'm not sure, because if it was that easy to take off the eyeshadow, see this little patch right here? I kind of tried to fix it. Yeah, anyway, this is good. Like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. Overall thoughts, this is really good. This is amazing. Like, look at my lashes, girl. They're curled, they're lifted, they're lengthened. You know, like, this is a pretty mascara. I've been dying to open this so that I could wear it on a daily basis, because I was like really excited about this. I was like, it's new, let's try it out. I think I'll like it. For $24, that isn't bad actually. That's actually a really good price for, I mean, high-end mascara, but we all know that Fenty Beauty is kind of like in between, like whatever, mid-price range, I guess you would say. It's not super crazy expensive, but it's also not inexpensive, so there's that. Is this worth your money? I definitely think it is. I mean, just look at my lashes, girl. Like, I cannot wait to wear this on a simple makeup day. Honestly, just even wearing it like this, I'm gonna wear it like this. This looks good. My lashes look coated. They look good. They look curled. They look fluffy, and it looks like my lashes are kind of wispy too. I really like that. That is so cool, because whenever I wear mascara, it usually just makes my lashes go straight up, but I can never get them to flick out. Like, I really like it. Look at that. That is awesome. Oh my gosh, look at this. Holy cow, that looks so good. I love how versatile the brush is too. Like, you can angle it any which way you want. Like, if I want to get these ends right here, I know you can do this with any other mascara wand, but I feel like with this, I'm actually able to get the results that I want, because I try to do it with other mascara wands and I can't quite get that. Or you can have it flat to give you volume. You can have it fat, I guess, to give you length. Because I thought this was gonna give me volume. I mean, maybe I'm saying it wrong, but I feel like the fat side gives me length and the flat side gives me volume. It gives me good, what's it called, at the base. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and also hit that subscribe button to join the K-Babe family. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.